LX277. There is no hour meter on this machine. It is a John Deere LX277 with a 17 horsepower Kawasaki engine. Battery is a little less than a year old on it. It has a newer seat on it with no real issues or anything like that. The seat safety switch appears to be bypassed. We'll get that hooked back up. Here's your deck lift and lower. We lowered that sucker all the way down whenever we mowed, and we caught a grass chunk that must have been stuck up under the deck. Easy to access oil filter, air filters up front. Hood is in one shape or one piece. So good looking hood, grill, bumper, stickers coming off of that side. We've got cruise control over here. We highly recommend against using cruise control as people seem to have problems with it. We've got a light switch over here. Here's your deck engagement. If you want to mow in reverse, you pull that switch out just a little bit further. Here's your ignition switch. Over here is throttle. This is choke. This is your deck height setting. When the deck is all the way up, you can adjust this knob to your desired cutting height. The seat is adjustable back and forward. We've got some rubber mats here to kind of provide a little bit of cushion while driving. Over here's your brake. Here's your forward pedal, reverse pedal. 42-inch deck under this dude. This thing goes forward, it goes reverse, it turns, and the deck comes on. If you have any questions about this machine, if you'd like to take it for a test drive or take it home or anything else, feel free to contact us at any time. All of our contact details are in the information below. Hey, thanks for watching.